Good morning! Every family works together. Even little helpers can make a big difference. When we help with small jobs, we make work easier for everyone. Little hands can help too. Folding clothes together is fun. Putting toys away keeps our home neat and safe. Cooking together makes every meal extra special. Cleaning together is quicker and much more fun. When someone needs help, we help with kind hearts. Taking care of our home also means caring for nature. Working together means everyone does their little part. Look how wonderful our home becomes when everyone helps. When chores are done together, there's more time for fun together.
Yeah!
Helping at home shows love, kindness, and responsibility. Every little helper makes a family stronger. Great job, little helper!